Do you know there is a method you need to know in order to boil your eggs perfectly? Hello, Sweetfingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Basse, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to boil your eggs perfectly. Firstly, you want to pick your fresh eggs, and after that, you need to rinse your egg. I don't know about you, but for me, I always rinse my egg, make sure they are all clean. After that, in the pot, make sure your pot is clean. You're just going to add water. For me, I added 2 cups of water inside my pot and then allowed it bring to a boil before I added all my eggs to it, just like this. And after that, I just added salt to it. And the most important thing you need to know is all you have to do after you add your salt is just to cover your egg and allow it to boil for just 2 minutes. Maximum is 2 minutes 30 seconds on a medium heat. You don't want to overcook your eggs. A lot of people overcook their eggs, and which means it doesn't even have a lot of nutrients in it anymore. And after that, you're just going to add your eggs inside a cold water to sit for just 30 seconds. For me, I added ice cubes to it, and after that I just started peeling my eggs. So while I was putting my eggs inside my pot, one of it cracked because I didn't use a spoon. So this is how the egg looks like, and even though it is all cracked up, it still came out perfectly without any stress. So we're just going to peel another egg in order for you to see, and this is how it turned out to be. Still perfect. It wasn't hard or it wasn't difficult for me to peel. And after that, this is what we have. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, are you going to be using this my method I just told you? Would you be recreating this? Let me know if you do. Do not forget to tag me. Do not forget to watch our other videos to learn how to make your easy and affordable food. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.